Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to set up a Redis server as a session handler for PHP on Ubuntu 22.04. By default, the Redis package is included in the Ubuntu default repository. You can install it using the following command. Once the Redis server is installed, verify the Redis installation using the following command. You will see the following output. By default, Redis only allows connections to localhost. You must change this configuration to allow connections from other servers on the same private network as the Redis server. First, edit the Redis configuration file. Change the following line. Next, change the following line to secure your Redis with a password. Save and close the file, then restart the Redis service to apply the configuration. Now, you will need to test Redis to see if the above configuration works. Run the following command to connect your Redis server. Next, authenticate Redis with a password. Then, try to access the data. You should see the following output. This output means your Redis server is empty, which is exactly what we expected, since the web server is not yet configured to use this Redis server as a session handler. Next, you will need to install the Apache and Redis PHP extensions to connect to Redis using PHP. You can install them with the following command. Continue to edit the PHP configuration file. Define your default session handler and session path. Save and close the file, then restart the Apache service to apply the changes. To verify Redis session handling, you will need to create a PHP script to store information on sessions. Let's create a PHP test file. Continue to add the following code. Save and close the file. Next, open your web browser and access the PHP script using the following URL. Now, you should have session information stored on the Redis server. To verify it, connect to your Redis server using the following command. Continue to authenticate Redis using a password. Next, fetch the content from the Redis server. If everything is fine, you will see the following output.